Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, back with another daily work from home job lead. Healthcare is my specialty, so it wouldn't be my YouTube channel if I didn't share some kind of non-phone healthcare related position. If you are interested in this, it is linked down in the YouTube description box below. But the company Healthmark Group is hiring an invoicing specialist. This is remote within the United States, but this is in the healthcare field regarding medical records. The invoicing specialist is responsible for invoicing medical records according to state statutes. So you'll accurately and efficiently invoice records. You'll identify and correct errors within the invoice of the records. You'll be responsible for accounts receivable aging and accounts reconciliations. You'll contribute any ideas and suggest any process improvements. You'll design, document, and implement workflow procedures, checklists, and policies for any assigned task. You review the AP and AR for accuracy, and you record transactions into systems. So this is completely non-phone, dealing with medical records and accounts receivable from services performed. Now, I'm not sure why everything is so tiny. I will try to blow this up for you, but they pay $16 an hour for this position, and they don't require any college degree. They are looking for someone who has attention to detail, a high level of accuracy. They want someone who has previous medical billing experience. Of course, Microsoft Excel and Word knowledge is always needed when you're talking about the healthcare field. They want someone who has great communication skills, great interpersonal skills, and the ability to build relationships, someone who can work independently as well as part of a team, someone who has great organizational and time management skills. Now, organization and time management skills are always needed in the work from home industry because you are left to your own devices. You have to be able to get yourself up and be able to get yourself working instead of watching TV. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen, one I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.